Hello and welcome to this calming space. In today's session, we're exploring a powerful and proven tool for relieving stress, mindfulness meditation. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or simply need a break from the chaos of daily life, this guided session will help you reconnect with the present moment, calm your thoughts, and restore your sense of balance. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Let's begin. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment, on purpose and without judgment. When we're stressed, our minds often spiral into worries about the future or regrets from the past. Mindfulness brings us back to now, helping to reduce emotional reactivity and calm the nervous system. Studies have shown that regular mindfulness meditation can lower cortisol, improve sleep, and increase resilience. Before we start the guided meditation, take a moment to get comfortable. Sit or lie down with your spine straight but relaxed. Let your hands rest naturally in your lap or by your sides. Gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Let your body be supported by the ground beneath you. Let's begin with the breath. Take a deep breath in through the nose and slowly breathe out through the mouth. Again, deep breath in and slow breath out. Let each breath bring you deeper into stillness. There's nowhere to be, nothing to do. Just this moment, just this breath. Now, gently bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations, warmth, or tension. Allow that area to soften. Move your awareness slowly down to your forehead. Let your eyebrows relax. Unclench your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. Scan slowly down through your chest, your stomach, your hips. If you notice tension, simply acknowledge it and breathe into it. Let go bit by bit. Feel your legs, your feet, all the way to your toes. Your whole body is calm, relaxed, grounded. Now gently shift your awareness to your thoughts. Let them come and go like clouds passing in the sky. If a thought arises, simply notice it. Say silently, "That's a thought," and let it float away. No need to follow it. Return to your breath. Inhale, inhale, exhale. You're not your thoughts. You are the observer. Notice your breath. Notice the feeling of air entering your nose and leaving your lips. Notice the weight of your body against the chair or the bed. Listen to the sounds around you without labeling them. Just notice. This is the power of presence. Calm, open, and aware. Let's repeat a few gentle affirmations in your mind or out loud if you like. I am here now. I am safe in this moment. I let go of what I cannot control. I am enough just as I am. With each breath, I return to peace. Let these words settle into your being. Begin to bring your attention back to your body. Notice your fingers and toes. Feel your body resting on the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment before moving. Smile if you can. Thank you for joining this mindfulness meditation for stress relief. You've just given your mind and body a powerful reset. With regular practice, even just a few minutes a day, you'll begin to feel calmer, clearer, and more in control of your stress. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about mindfulness or need support managing stress, leave a comment below. We'd love to help you on your wellness journey. Until next time, breathe deeply, live mindfully, and take care.